Hey guys, we would like to introduce you today new generation of the popular fairing for 701. We call this version F4 because it was designed from scratch again. Yeah. Now to the fairing itself. You are getting again nice benefits like good wind protection, the strong LED lights that are legal in Europe. And you are having the space for navigation. The GPS bar is included, as well as the Garmin adapter, and it can be also used as a platform for mounting any other device like a tablet and so on and so on. It holds really well, yeah. And there is one more benefit in comparison to the previous version. There is integrated adapter for Scott's damper. So if you have a Scott's, you just take two bolts and you bolt on and it's done, yeah. And the adapter is included also in the F4 fairing kit for 701 2020. Now a little bit to the construction of the F4. You get the injected windscreen that is more nicer, more precise, and the finishing looks like a professional windshield actually. The shader is integrated, and the spoiler is integrated too. The side panels are from lexan, a very durable and flexible material, tested on Ready Dakar several times with us, so it's very crash proofed, yeah. And we believe that you will like also the design, because we pay attention a lot that the F4 fairing really fits to the design of the bike itself, and even you have the fairing here, the bike stays very compact, yeah, and you keep the original handling of the bike that is great, yeah, from original, and makes your trip still very easy. You can do really hard off-roads even having here the fairing, yeah, because the fairing itself is only 3.5 kgs, yeah, so it's quite lightweight, I would say, yeah, and still very durable. So guys, if you like it, please order on our eShop.